Hi guys, it's Sam. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the new iPhone 12 Pro. I got it in the color the Pacific Blue and it looks so pretty. I went to the Apple store this morning and I picked it up and I'm so excited because today was actually the day that it came out and I think it's gonna be really cool. So right now, for those of you who don't know, I have the iPhone 11 and in this video I'm just going to unbox the phone, tell you guys my opinion on it, and test out the cameras compared to the iPhone 11 and test out everything like that. So if this is something you're interested in, I don't want to make the intro too long, just give the video a huge thumbs up for me because it really does help my channel. Subscribe if you want to, leave me a comment down below, and with all that being said, let's get into the video. So like I said, this is the iPhone I got. It is the iPhone 12 Pro in the Pacific Blue color. I got the 128 gigabytes just because I felt like I didn't need anything more than that. And with all that being said, let's just start unboxing it. All right, so the first thing that's different right away is that the box is black. I believe that usually the boxes are white. When I got my iPhone 11, the box was white, so that's something that I noticed right away. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. It is so pretty. Do you guys see this color? All right, so let's do this part. That was so satisfying. I love when unboxing videos have that like satisfying feel, and that was really satisfying. Okay, so before I turn the phone on, I'm going to show you guys the classic wire and everything that comes in the box. So in the box, there's this little designed by Apple in California pamphlet that always comes in the Apple boxes when you buy a new product. And they just gave me the little pin so that I can get the card out of my old phone and put it in my new phone. And then I, of course, got the classic Apple sticker because would this be an unboxing if I didn't have the Apple sticker? And then they also gave me a little pamphlet, I guess, about how to use the new phone. I don't really know, but I don't look at this. Let me know down below if you guys ever look at this because I don't. And then they gave me a little charger thingy. So I was under the impression that the new phone actually wasn't going to have this little charging port, but it does. So I'm kind of annoyed that I bought the other charger because I did buy the magnet charger, so I will unbox that on here for you guys as well. But I am happy that it has a little port to put headphones in and also to put the charger in because I don't always want to use the magnet, if that makes sense, just because I feel like when you go out to places and you may need a charger, there is not going to be a lot of people that have the magnet if they don't have the 12. So I don't know why I thought that it didn't have the little port, but I'm happy that it does. So obviously the charging port is the same. The only thing that's different is the little connection that goes into the cube. So I did have to buy a new cube for this, and I'm actually gonna go get that so I can show you guys the difference. All right, so this is the cube I got. It's the USB-C 20W power adapter. It looks like this, and I got this on Apple. It came in the mail a while ago, I think like a couple days ago. I didn't want to pick this one up from the store just because I knew that it would come before the iPhone actually came out. So there is a little thing that I can pull off. So we're just going to open this up and see what it looks like. I don't really know why they changed the cube, and I don't know why it doesn't come with the phone anymore. I personally don't like that, but... So this is what it looks like. If you guys can see what I mean, there's a little port here, but it's different than the normal charging cube, the one that goes with the iPhone 11, the iPhone X, everything like that. The difference just is that it's a smaller piece that just connects into the charger, and then you have your charger. Again, I am happy that it has the option to actually just plug into the phone like this rather than actually need the magsafe charger, which looks like this. I'm gonna unbox this now. This is the magnet that sticks to the back of the iPhone 12, so we're just going to unbox it. I'm curious to see what this looks like because I actually don't know. So in this little box, there's a couple pamphlets that come with it. I'm not gonna read them, but they look like this. And then there's, again, the designed by Apple little pamphlet. And then there is the charger. So when I open it, it looks like this. It's a little magnet and then the wire that attaches to it. This is what it looks like, and I guess it would just attach to your phone. I don't really know. I'm gonna test it out right now for you guys and see how it works because this is my first time using it as well. So it is a pretty long wire. I would say the same length as the original wire that comes with the phone. So it's supposed to just stick to the back of the phone, which it does. So you're just gonna put it on the back of the phone, it'll stick, and then you put this little part into the cube that you bought and it'll charge. I want to see how strong this is. I saw someone do this in their video and it held, so I kind of just want to see. So the magnet is kind of strong. I can go like this and it doesn't fall, so that's really cool. I think it's important to have a strong magnet just in case it falls out of my hand. I don't really know, I think that's just cool. So I do like the magnet. Will I use it a lot? Probably not. I'll probably use the charger more just because I feel like it's just easier for me because I'm used to it already. But overall, I like both chargers and I think it's fine to have either one. With that being said, I'm gonna start talking about the phone now. So this is what the phone looks like. It is beautiful. I think the main difference that I see right now is that the edges are a lot different than my iPhone 11, and that this phone, it's not like a glass, it's called ceramic shield, and this phone I think is just glass. I know this phone is less likely to break when you drop it, which is amazing, and this phone, the iPhone 11, will obviously break a lot faster, so I think it's cool. And then the other main difference I noticed right away is that my new phone has about 3 cameras. I actually think there may be 4 because there's a little circle right there. I'm not sure if that's a camera, but I don't know. There's definitely 3, and then on this camera I only have 2, so I think that the camera quality of course will be better. So like I said, this is ceramic shield. I think that the glass feels a little different than this because if I go like this, you can hear like a plasticky feel, but it's still glass. And then this, I don't know, it may sound the same on camera, but in person it sounds a little different. So we're going to turn on the phone. It's turning on. I'm so excited. My phone just turned on. It just is saying hello in the different languages right now. This is the difference between the phones for those of you who want to know. The iPhone 12 is a little thicker than the iPhone 11, but it has a different feel to it. So I think I actually like the iPhone 12 better. As for lengthwise, they're kind of like the same length, and the screen seems to be about the same size. Maybe not exactly the same size, but pretty equal if you ask me. So now I'm going to go on to my phone. It's just saying hello, so I'm just gonna swipe up and I'm gonna pick my language. So for me, it would be English. And then I'm going to choose the country. For me, I'm in the United States, so I would just click the United States. I'm gonna set it up manually, so I'm gonna hit set manually, and I'm going to choose a Wi-Fi. I will be right back because you guys don't need to see that. So I just connected my phone to Wi-Fi, and I'm just going to hit next at the top, and it says it may take a few minutes to activate your phone. Since I clicked to set it up manually, I guess it just takes a couple minutes for them to actually activate it. Right off the bat, I am in love with this phone. I don't know, it's just different than the 11, and personally I really like it. So data and privacy came up now. I'm gonna hit continue. Now it's asking for Face ID, so we are going to set up the Face ID. I'm gonna hit continue, and I just have to set this up now, get started. It's always so weird when you have to like rotate your face in an angle for it to get like all the angles of your face. I don't know, I always feel so weird when I'm doing this part. All right, the first Face ID is complete, so we have to hit continue. Move your head in a slow circle to complete the circle. Okay. All right, it says Face ID is now set up, so I'm gonna hit continue, and now I'm going to create a password. So now it's talking about apps and data. I'm just going to say don't transfer apps and data for now, and now it's asking for my Apple ID, so I'm going to put that in really quick. Now a terms and conditions little thing comes up, so I'm just gonna hit agree to that. And now again, it says it may take a few minutes to set up your Apple ID. So the Apple ID is getting set up to my phone. I'm so excited, you guys. I can't wait to actually design my phone, do the new iOS 14 settings and everything like that, and then make a whole nother video on that because I'm sure you guys would want to see what's on my iPhone. So definitely let me know if that's something you're interested in seeing, because I would be so happy to make it for you guys. But as I said, it just says it may take a few minutes, and now it says express settings. I'm just gonna hit continue for now, and it says keep your phone up to date. We're just gonna hit continue. And I would show you guys, but I feel like the glare is too bad, so I'm like trying, but I can't do it perfectly. So now it's asking for me to add cards to my wallet. Just for the purpose of this video, I'm not gonna do it on camera, obviously, so I'm just going to hit continue, and I'm going to hit set up later in wallet. For the iCloud keychain, I don't really use iCloud. I know that's weird, but for some reason, when I set up my iCloud originally, my old email, it didn't work, and I kind of lost everything. Now it's asking me to set up Siri, so we're gonna hit continue. Press and hold the side button to talk to Siri anytime. Okay, continue. Screen time. So we're just gonna hit continue. App analytics, we're gonna hit. Right, so now it's asking me for the appearance. Do I want it to be in light or dark mode? For now, I'm gonna leave it in light mode. I personally like light mode better, at least during the day. I don't really know why. I know a lot of people like dark mode, but for me, I like light mode. So I'm just gonna hit continue. And now it's asking me for the display zoom. So I'm going to leave it in standard. The other one is just more zoomed in. So now it says, welcome to iPhone, and we're going to just swipe up to get started. And I am in the iPhone. So this is what the iPhone looks like. I'm so excited. I don't have the SIM card in here yet, so I can't actually show you guys apps and everything like that. But I'm gonna do that off camera anyways, just because I feel like that's boring. But I will definitely make a what's on my iPhone 12 video that will be coming soon if you guys do wanna see that. And if you have any other questions about the iPhone, please let me know, because I'd be more than happy to help you guys. But with all that being said, that is about it. The only other thing I want to do is test the camera compared to my iPhone 11. So I was going to screen record, but I don't know if I can because I don't have the SIM card in yet. So I'm going to just hold them next to each other and show you guys the difference of the camera quality, because I think that's something that a lot of people are interested in when talking about the new phone. So let's do that really quick. This is the camera quality of the iPhone 11. I think it's good, but I don't think it's gonna be as good as the iPhone 12. So now I'm going to switch it out to the iPhone 12. And I don't know, right off the bat, I just think that the image looks clearer. I think that the video will be so clear as well. And I think that that's something really cool. So overall, I would say that the iPhone 12 definitely has better camera quality, but I don't think that the iPhone 11's is bad. I just think that this one is better. So when I hold them next to each other, the iPhone 12's does seem to be a little brighter. I did put the brightness at the same level for the iPhones to be completely accurate. So I think that the iPhone 12's camera is better quality. But with all that being said, if you guys liked this unboxing, please let me know down below by giving the video a huge thumbs up. It really does help my channel get recognized by others. And leave me a comment down below if you like the color of this phone. This is in the Pacific blue color, and I'm obsessed with it. I think it's gorgeous, and I want to know what you guys think as well. But with all that being said, thank you guys again so much for watching. I really do hope you guys enjoyed the video. Also, let me know if you guys got the iPhone 12 or the iPhone Pro or the Mini when it comes out. And if you didn't get one or you're not going to get one, let me know what iPhone you have, because I'm curious. But with all that being said, thank you guys again for watching, and subscribe if you want to, follow me on Instagram if you want to, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!